Welcome, time travelers. Are you ready to journey through the twists and turns of the time-space continuum? Today, we're exploring the mind-bending concept of time travel and uncovering some of the most fascinating and unexpected facts about this cosmic phenomenon. Buckle up, because we're about to blast off into the unknown. As we journey through time, we'll explore the science behind time travel and dive deep into some of the most mind-bending paradoxes and mysteries of the universe. Fact 1: The Grandfather Paradox. Imagine this: you hop in your time machine and travel back in time to prevent your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, thereby erasing your own existence. But if you never existed, how could you have gone back in time in the first place? This paradox is known as the Grandfather Paradox, and it's just one of the many dizzying puzzles that time travel presents. The Grandfather Paradox raises profound questions about the nature of time and causality. If time travel is possible, does it mean that the past is mutable, and that we have the power to change the course of history? Or does it mean that time is fixed, and that any attempt to change the past is doomed to fail? While scientists and philosophers continue to debate these questions, the Grandfather Paradox remains a fascinating and perplexing mystery. Fact 2: Time dilation. Did you know that time moves faster in space than it does on Earth? This phenomenon, known as time dilation, means that time slows down the closer you get to a massive object like a black hole. So if you're traveling through space on a cosmic adventure, you might find that time moves more slowly for you than it does for your loved ones back home. Time dilation is a consequence of Einstein's theory of relativity, which shows that time and space are intertwined and that the laws of physics remain the same in all inertial frames of reference. This means that time can appear to move at different rates depending on your speed and location in the universe. While time dilation might seem like science fiction, it's actually been proven by numerous experiments and observations, and it's an essential concept in our understanding of the cosmos. Fact 3: The Butterfly Effect. What if the smallest actions we take in the past could have huge consequences for the future? That's the idea behind the butterfly effect, which suggests that even the tiniest changes in the past could ripple out into the future in unpredictable and chaotic ways. So be careful when you're time traveling. The fate of the universe could depend on your smallest actions. The butterfly effect is a consequence of chaos theory, which shows that small differences in initial conditions can lead to vastly different outcomes in a complex system. The term was coined by mathematician and meteorologist Edward Lorenz, who observed that even tiny variations in weather patterns could have huge effects on the global climate. In the context of time travel, the butterfly effect implies that even the smallest actions taken in the past could have unforeseen and potentially catastrophic consequences for the future. Fact 4: The Chronology Protection Conjecture. Some scientists believe that time travel is impossible due to the chronology protection conjecture. This theory suggests that the laws of physics prevent anyone from traveling back in time and changing the course of history. According to this theory, any attempt to change the past would create a paradox or inconsistency that would prevent the time traveler from succeeding. The chronology protection conjecture is based on the idea that the laws of physics are self-consistent and that time travel would violate these fundamental laws. Some physicists have proposed ways around this conjecture, such as the idea of a Novikov self-consistency principle, which suggests that the laws of physics would prevent any action that would create a paradox. However, the chronology protection conjecture remains a significant obstacle to the possibility of time travel. Fact 5: Time loops. Finally, let's talk about time loops. These are loops in time where events repeat themselves over and over again, like a never-ending cycle. Time loops are a common trope in science fiction, from movies like Groundhog Day to TV shows like Doctor Who. But could they actually exist in the real world? The idea of time loops is closely related to the concept of closed time-like curves, which are paths in spacetime that loop back on themselves. Some physicists have proposed that these curves could be created through the use of exotic matter or wormholes, allowing for the possibility of time travel and time loops. However, the existence of closed time-like curves remains a topic of intense debate and speculation in the scientific community. And that, my friends, concludes our journey through the strange and fascinating world of time travel. From the grandfather paradox to time loops, we've explored some of the most intriguing and mind-bending aspects of this concept. So the next time you find yourself daydreaming about time travel, remember these 5 facts and the mysteries they hold. We hope you've enjoyed this video and that it's given you some new food for thought. If you have any lingering questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating and thought-provoking content. See you soon.